Folks, so I'm going to try and keep this as quick and short as I can. I'm just going to explain to you how we work our calorie calculator. Now, this is our backup calorie calculator. If our native one, which is on our site, goes down, this is the backup that we use. So this is an external website. This is going to calculate your total daily energy expenditure. All right, so this is what the calories that you will burn based on everything. So your metabolic rate plus your activity levels. All right, so the great thing about this calculator is that you can select your metrics. All right, so what you're going to do to start here is you're going to enter in your details. So depending on what way you like to measure these stuff, you can change pounds, kilos, centimeters, height, or feet, sorry. Enter in your details as best you know them. Then enter on a goal, so let's say mild weight loss. Choose an activity level, so sedentary is going to be basically no activity at all. Lightly active is going to be like maybe you don't go to the gym but you walk and you have a sedentary job. Moderate activity is maybe you have a sedentary job but you go to the gym and maybe do some walking. Very active is like you go to the gym maybe 4 or 5 days a week and you have an active job. And extremely active, maybe you're extremely active all the time. You take maybe 6 sessions a week. You do mountain climbs, you've got an active job, you're always on the move. So for me, my job is moderately active and I train maybe 5 times a week. So I'm going to be somewhere between moderate and very active. I'll just put on moderate for the sake of it. Don't worry about body fat. You don't need to put that on. Then go down, scroll down and click on calculate your TDEE. Now this is going to spit us out some numbers. So here is my, if you've ever heard anybody say maintenance, your first figure here is your maintenance calorie. So if I eat 2,957 calories a day, I should stay at the same weight. That's basically what that means, and it gives you your weeklies there as well. And look, it'll spit you out here, so you can see this here. If you're unsure of exactly how active you are, it does give you all the data based on your choices. So if you had a pug very active, then my baseline would be 2,300. All right, this is my BMR. That's basically my metabolic rate. So if I have to lie on the sofa all day, I would still burn 1,900 calories. Right, anyway, ideal body weight, don't worry about it, it's not specific to you. This is going to tell me that I'm overweight, which it does, look, 77 to 84. I'm 90, somewhere between 90 and 93 kilo, which means I am overweight according to this. Body mass index, so again, as you can see here, look, this is a perfect example, it actually says that I am overweight. Alright, so don't worry about that. Don't worry about BMI, it's not specific to you either. We're looking for meaningful data, and that is not meaningful. Energy intake to lose weight. Okay, so here we're getting all the good stuff. So if I want to go for mild weight loss, which is, as you can see underneath there, 0.5 pounds per week, then I'm going to go 2,600 calories. If I want to go for normal rate of weight loss, which is a pound a week, then I might go for 2,300 calories. If I want to go for 2 pounds a week, then I'll go for 1,800 calories. Now, don't just jump straight to the extreme weight loss because it's very hard to maintain and it's hard to get out of plateaus when you get on them. So something like your typical weight loss or mild weight loss is going to be perfect for you if your goal is weight loss. When you're dealing with weight gain, then same idea. So we've got 3 figures here for mild weight gain, normal rate of weight gain, and extreme weight gain. And it's basically just the exact same as weight loss in reverse. And then I'll give you approximate calorie thresholds for you to hit based on that. Considerations here are probably don't go to extreme weight gain straight away because it will be extremely difficult and you'll probably get a bit scunnered with it. Build yourself up. So here you can see 3 different figures. All right, so this is our macronutrients. So this is your proteins, your carbs, and your fats. All right, so if we're going to lose weight, we'll go cutting. If we're looking to roughly maintain and maybe focus on performance, then we'll go maintenance. If we're looking to gain weight, then we'll go bulking. But let's go cutting because I know most people who watch this video, it's going to be weight loss, which is a goal. It's going to give us out macronutrients here for 2,400. So that's based on my calorie intake at a normal rate of weight loss. If I like to eat a normal amount of carbs, then this first 3 will be my target. If I like a low carb diet, then the second one will be my target. And if I like a really high carb diet, then the last one's going to be my targets, all right? So this will be your baseline goals, all right? So you'll have 184 grams of protein, you'll have 96 grams of fat, and you'll have 215 grams of carbs. Now, the only one that we're really concerned about is your protein, which is this top one, and your calorie intake depending on your goal. So if it's weight loss, then it'll be 23, or let's round it up and say 2,400 calories, 184 grams of protein, and that's what we're really going to be worried about during your time here. Now, these are all approximations. We can't get this exactly accurate. So what we do is, once you're assigned your accountability coach, they will take your figures that you've gotten through this calculator, and we will edit it and tweak it based on you. So we'll do that by weighing you in each week, and we'll do that by listening to your preferences around food consumption, and we'll tweak it to make it suit you and your goals. And that's how this is used, folks. Relay this information to your accountability coach if you're on focus month, and let them know what your targets are.